Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking the board and essential tools, and you decide headings now. This frames every decision that follows. Once you have 3-5 columns labeled Urgent, Important, Delegate, Schedule, scan your inbox and list the top 10 tasks. Place items roughly under headings without overthinking. You want momentum. Use a 15-30-minute timer to force quick sorting. Make sure to write one clear next action per sticky note because vague tasks stall progress. Now you refine and prioritize. Go through each note and rewrite it as one concrete action with an estimated time and a due date. This clarifies effort and urgency. Once done, apply color coding to show 0 24-hour items versus next week items so visual cues drive choices. Make sure to assign names for anything you delegate and add a short check-in cadence. Finally, cluster similar tasks to enable batch work and reduce context switching for faster completion. You complete the board by committing to execution rhythms and a review habit. Start focused sprints of 25-50 minutes, move finished notes to a done area, and during a quick daily review update dates and reprioritize. If things go wrong and progress stalls, don't overhaul the whole board. Identify one blocked item and either remove it or split it into a tiny, doable step. Make sure to surface blockers for team help and adjust workload so momentum returns quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.